Test drive this 2018 Honda CR-V Touring. This 4-cylinder, gas-powered wagon comes complete with a continuously variable transmission. Calling the CR-V an overachiever would be an understatement. This vehicle is known for being heavy on its features but light on limitations. The exterior has managed to keep its same iconic styling over the years with sporting a bold front grille, adding to its already resilient attitude. Inside, you'll find all the comfort and convenience you would expect with a surprising touch of luxury. With the rear seats folded down, you'll find an abundance of cargo space while the large windows provide excellent visibility. The CR-V's fuel-efficient engine alongside its solid handling ensure an absolute stunning drive. This vehicle comes complete with 18-inch wheels, power locks, Android Auto connectivity, Apple CarPlay, Bluetooth connectivity, a subwoofer speaker, power windows, push-button start, remote keyless entry, remote start, electronic stability control, automatic stability control, traction control, and a lane keeping assist system. Call us for more information or stop by for a test drive.